Okay, so for the 3 to 4 year olds, for Iron Horse Kata, we're just working on our stances. So we start with standing strong and martial arts stance, horse stance, knees out nice and wide, fists against the body, against the ribs. Bear stance, front foot comes out and turns. You're trying to grip the ground with your feet. Bear stance. And we've got cat stance. And the last one, our martial arts stance is here. Dragon stance is further back. So martial arts stance, dragon stance. Martial arts stance, dragon stance. Standing strong. Okay, so that's the Iron Horse Kata for the 3 to 4s. Still going.